you're watching me on Akriti Handa, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you about my small pamper session at home, which is pedicure. At this point, I have been self-quarantined myself from more than 4 months now, and it's my birthday in few days. So before going further in the video, I would like to talk to you more about some benefits on pedicure. So let's get started. To my knowledge, pedicure is not just a beauty or cosmetic process to paint your nails, but also done for therapeutic and medical reasons. It is suitable for both man and woman. It involves trimming, exfoliating, hydrating, and massaging the feet, and lastly, polishing nails as per choice. It is also good for a healthy lifestyle as it prevents feet infections, promotes blood circulations, improves the nail health, keeps your feet more soft, and also helpful for mental and physical health as it includes different massaging steps which reduces stress and improves our internal system as well. Before stepping up, we need to collect some basic items to set up our pedicure station and some tools as we will need in the further process. First thing is very clear, we need a big tub to fit our feet inside with warm water, and here I lighten up my diffuser for giving myself a spa vibe. Second, we need some basic pedicure tools, and here I add some rose petals which is optional. Third, we need some tissue paper or a soft towel. Fourth but important, we of course need a pedicure kit as well. And lastly, I take some nail paints, cotton and nail remover. One, I start with removing the existing nail paint using the acetone free nail remover. Step 2 is filling up the tub with warm water. Make sure the water isn't too hot. Here I am adding up some rose petals and lemon slices as well to give myself a spa kind of vibes. For pedicure I am using Alp Goodness Sea Salt Mani Pedi Kit. It comes with other variants also. I bought it from purple.com and I am trying this product for the first time. It comes with 5 small packets inside, mentioned with the steps and process. This kit is for single use only, and you can also use this for your manicure as well. Jumping back to step 3, I add the sea salt soak and my favorite raspberry and peppermint body wash just because I love the fragrance. You can also add your favorite essential oils like peppermint, lemon, lavender, tea tree oil to nourish your feet. Now as my spa tub is ready, I will soak my feet to at least 10 minutes, but the time is completely depends on the skin of your feet. If your feet are more dry or cracked, you can increase the time limit and let them soak until they are soft. As my feet are soft now, I will scrub them with a pumic stone. It helps to lose the dead skin. And for stubborn scallions, I use the foot filer. If you have cracked heels, you must use the foot filer. For scrubbing the upper part of the feet, I will apply the scrub all over up to knees and also massage it well for 3 to 5 minutes to create a good blood circulation. And lastly, I'll wipe off using a wet towel. Now time to apply cuticle cream. I will let the cream soaked in with the cuticle area while I will trim my nails and file them. I also remove the hard skins from both the edges of the nails and clean them well. And now lastly I'll massage a little on the cuticle area and wipe off the extra cream. I applied massage cream all over on the below part as well. Gently massage and don't be very harsh, else you can get cramps. But a good foot massage can also be helpful for anxiety, lower back pain, depression, general stress and many more. Now after massaging it for good 10 to 15 minutes, wipe off the extra cream with wet towel or tissue. To apply mud mask, I applied a thin layer of mask only on the top part of my feet till knees. I will wait for 15 minutes or you can wait till it dries out. Then wash off with the cool water or you can just wipe off with wet towel. Lastly, I applied a base coat before nail paint and applied 2 coats of nail polish. Then cover it with top coat, which really gives a smooth finish and makes the polish last longer. And please wait till the polish dries out and do not move much as if not required for best looking nails. So yeah, this is all all about my small pamper session at home. I hope you really liked it and it helped you. I will link down the products I have used in the video in my description box below. So you can also get yourself a spa day. Now bye. See you in my next video.